Good. Good girl, Wendy. And then ask him to go a little bit more forward when you have him really round like that. Good. That's okay. Good girl. Okay, keep your legs on him when you ask him to come back. Keep him round. Keep him really, really round. Good girl. One more step. Okay, trot off again. Keep both legs on him when you ask him to halt. Good. Good. Perfect. Stop.